good health is not easy, but is very rewarding. A very warm welcome to the teachers and to the fellow students who are present here. We, the students of class 9th A, will be going to present an assembly on the topic World Health Day. We also take this opportunity to thank the COVID warriors. Let's start our day with the blessings of the Almighty. April 7 of each year marks the celebration of World Health Day. From its inception at the first Health Assembly, the celebration has aimed to create awareness of public health theme to highlight a priority area of concern for the World Health Organization. And now over to Lakshita for the thought of the day.
Thought of the day. It is health which is real wealth, not pieces of silver and gold. What we infer from this is that no matter how wealthy a person may be, if his health is not in a good condition, then money doesn't matter. I repeat, it is health which is real wealth, not pieces of silver and gold.
Let us find out from Dhruv what is happening in India and around the world. Over to Dhruv now for the national and the international news.
National news. With 1,03,955 new COVID-19 cases, India continues to record the most number of daily cases globally. Since April 3rd, India has been registering more daily cases than US and Brazil on an average. BJP leaders laud PM Narendra Modi's leadership on Party's Foundation Day. Delhi government has imposed a night curfew from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. with immediate effect till 30th April. International news. LG Electronics said that it will withdraw from the mobile business after years of money-losing performance and intensifying competition with bigger rivals. Sri Lanka has decided to buy 6 million more Sputnik vaccines raising the total it plans to purchase from Russia to 13 million doses.
Now let us listen to the news from the world of sports. Over to Ayan now.
Sports news. Indian Premier League (IPL) is starting from 9th April 2021. The first match will be played between Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers Bangalore at M.A. Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai. Real Madrid defender Rafael Varane tested positive for coronavirus ahead of the Tuesday's Champions League quarterfinal against Liverpool. The French player did not play in the first leg in Madrid and is also likely to miss the team's Clásico match against Barcelona in the Spanish League on Saturday. Campus news. In this pandemic of coronavirus, our school has planned to reopen schools for the senior and sub-senior students, taking all the significant steps ensuring the safety and security of all students. Checking of the body temperature of each student, regular sanitization of classrooms, installation of touchless sanitizer dispenser, and maintenance of social distancing are some of the effective steps taken by our school. The school had also organized a program on Founders Day on 7th April 2021, completing its 90 years of great success.
চন্দ্র তপন ব্যাকুল দ্রুত বেগে গ্রহ তারক চন্দ্র তপন ব্যাকুল দ্রুত বেগে করিছে পান করিছে স্নান অক্ষয় কিরণে
Weather report. The maximum temperature will be 36 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius. Precipitation will be 0%, humidity will be 16% and wind speed will be 18 km per hour.
World Health Day is indeed an auspicious day. Now let's listen to the thoughts of Duty regarding this day.
Does anyone know what is so special about April 7th? It marks the celebration of World Health Day. It is celebrated each year to highlight the importance of physical and mental well-being among people. It brings up health issues, we get to participate in different activities, and it is an opportunity to focus on worldwide attention about a few aspects of global health. This year's theme is building a fairer, healthier world for everyone. It creates awareness about better habits to improve our health and live disease-free lives. This year's aim is to eliminate health inequities as part of a year-long global campaign to bring people together for a better environment. In the time of pandemic, being extra careful with the hygiene will only protect us and our family. We can do our part by creating awareness about the importance of better hygiene and social distancing practices among our peers. We should also try and adopt some good habits in our daily life, like try drinking water as much as possible and eat low-calorie food items. Add greens and lettuce to your diet because fiber is very important for our body. It will be good if we make up an exercise routine and follow it daily. This will increase our concentration and we will stay fit and healthy. And last but not the least, keep smiling, stay happy, enjoy life. Thank you.
While on one hand, people across India and around the world are confined to their home with business and educational institutions all shut down to contain the virus, on the other hand, doctors, nurses and medical staffs are leading the battle against COVID-19 from the front line. I now hand over to Tanisha, who will be coming forward to thank the Corona warriors.
Not all heroes wear a cape. And on this note, let us take a moment to remember and appreciate our COVID warriors who have been working day and night, selflessly putting their lives at stake in order to take care of us. Their dedication towards their noble work is truly admirable, and there are no words enough to adequately thank them. They are the heart and soul of this battle against COVID. And perhaps that's why we say that doctors are angels sent to earth from heaven above. When you think about it, isn't only the doctors, the nurses, the healthcare staff? What about the delivery persons, the shop owners, the vendors, the sweepers, and every other person who has supported you and made your life during the pandemic easier? Let us put a big round of applause, for they have ensured timely access to all the items necessary for survival. Their support, their dedication, and their humbleness is an inspiration for all of us. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. We are with you, our warriors.
Thank you for being our nation's guiding light in the face of this adversity. And remember, not all heroes wear a cape. So we end our assembly with a smile, a happy thought, and a grateful heart. Thank you.